ahead, Joseph.
I think it's derivative. Well, I wrote the derivative of f, so it's like a sign chart.
And always is, this one's pretty straightforward, but it's always a good idea to make a Danica's chart to verify, why you're making a sign chart of f prime. In this case, pretty straightforward. F prime, f is increasing when f prime is positive. So what's the formula for f prime, Josie?
I used the wrong rule for it.
Ah, that'll do it.
Yeah.
We'll finish since we started the video.
Yeah.
What's the formula for f prime?
So you use the product rule for 300x.
Well, actually, we just use the multiplying constant rule.
Oh, then I can do it.
So the derivative of 300x is simply 300. Okay with that?
Yeah.
And the derivative of x cubed is?
3x squared.
What would you do next?
Then factor it. Correct factor the sign chart.
Tell me what to factor.
You pull up a 3, and you get 100 minus x squared, which is good with two squares.
What does that factor to?
3 times x minus 10 times x plus 10.
Oh, I didn't factor
Oh,
that.
careful. 10 minus x. 10 plus x. You see why?
Oh, I didn't factor that far. Is that?
Yeah. Well, it's not, this step of factoring, I can't say that it's required.
Yeah, I didn't do that when I did it.
So it is possible that you'll make a mistake if you don't, but if you're careful, it's okay not to. So please, Avery.
Would it be acceptable to pull out a negative 3 and then have x squared minus 100?
Uh-huh.
That's easy to see.
Yeah, that's totally legal. You can do it that way, as long as you do the sign chart correctly. Nothing wrong with that. Is everybody good to hear? So then, make a sign chart of f prime. So first step in making a sign chart is to be absolutely certain what we are sign charting. We've done that. Second thing is to, yes, if possible, make whatever we're sign charting as factored as we can. That always makes it easier. Third step is to find the values of x which will cause f prime to be either 0 or undefined. So Avery, what are those x values? Good. So label the x values of 10 and negative 10 as the x values which will cause f prime to equal 0. Now I'm simply going to test. So I always pick easy values to test with. So 0 seems like a really good choice for x. Put x equals 0 here. Chelsea will help me. So this is always positive, so that's easy. If x is equal to 0, Chelsea, this is positive or negative?
Positive.
Next one.
Positive.
Nice. It's positive. Choose something like, I like bigger numbers because it's easier for my brain. So 20 looks good. So this is positive. Avery, this would be,
That's negative.
that would switch to negative. Last one, Avery, would be
Positive.
positive again. It's negative. Over here to negative 20. This switches. This is still negative. Oh, wait, this is positive, right? This is negative.
Yeah.
So now we know the correct answer is from x equal negative 10 to x equal positive 10.
Yeah.
Is that right? Okay. Questions before we stop the video?